How to create and fill forms. Radio button and checkbox. Click Tools, then select Form to enter the form editing mode. In the top toolbar, choose Radio button and click to place the button where you want it. Double-click the button to open the editing panel on the right. Here, you can set the button's name, tooltip, and form field properties. You can also customize the button's appearance, including its style and the option values for tracking when exported. If you want the button to be selected by default when the form opens, check the default option. You can also make buttons with the same name and option values get selected together. Customize the button's border color, background color, and adjust its size to match your needs. Checkboxes allow users to select one or more options in a PDF form. To add a checkbox, choose Checkbox from the top toolbar, and drag it onto the form. Double-click the checkbox to access its properties, including name, tooltip, and form field settings. Just like radio buttons, you can customize the button style and set the export value. Under the Styles section, you can also personalize the appearance. Adjust the border color, background color, and resize as needed. Download UPDF now and try it for free.